So here we are looking at quiz 7 from fall 2021 in Math 1910. We've got some definite integrals, and the first one is the integral from 1 to 4 of 3x squared with respect to x. The first thing we need to do is find an antiderivative, so we'll just use the power rule. That would be 3x cubed over 3. As far as plus c goes, we'll just use 0, because any antiderivative will do, and we're going to evaluate that at 1 and 4 and take the difference. So that's also just x cubed and when we substitute in 4 to the third power is 64 minus 1 to the third power, that's 1, and that's going to give us an answer of 63. In part B, we are asked to integrate this function p of x, p is graphed here, from negative 1 to 4. Alright, so here you see the x-axis, the y-axis. This is supposed to be marked off in intervals of length 1. So from negative 1 to 4 would be from here to here. Well, you know that if the function is above the x-axis, then the integral is just the area. So the area of this triangle is 2, I believe. You can just count squares, and you'll get 2 squares. Now down here, the function is below the x-axis, so when you integrate, you're actually getting the negative of the area. Well, that looks like 2.5 squares to me, so that would be negative 2.5. So the answer would be 2 plus a negative 2.5, which is negative 0.5. And in the last one, we were asked to find the average value of the function f of x equals x cubed on the interval from 1 to 3. Well, the formula tells us that we want to integrate 1 over 3 minus 1. Let's see, we're going to have the integral from 1 to 3 of the function. So that's going to be 1/8 times x to the 4th, and we evaluated at 1 and 3. When you substitute in the 3 to the 4th is 81, and then minus 1 is going to be 10, I believe.